How to enable Apple Pay in Stripe. In this video, we'll discuss how you can turn on or enable Apple Pay on your Stripe account. I have in here this support article from Stripe themselves showing us how to do this. So for example, if you have your iOS application, from the Apple Pay settings page, click onto this Add New Application. Download the certificate signing request and click on Continue, and then visit the Apple's Developer Center. Select the merchant ID, edit, and create certificate. After that, follow the instructions to upload your CRR file. Click on Generate, and the certificate should be on CER file format. Return to Stripe and upload the new certificate file, and once uploaded, you should see the certificate listed under iOS certificates, and you can continue with the integrated Apple Pay for application. If you want to set it up on your website, you can go to the Payment Methods domain page and add a new domain. Enter the primary domain or subdomain where you will be implementing Apple Pay. Like for example, if you have a Shopify store, just add the domain for that. Click on Save and continue with integrating Apple Pay for the web. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out. And if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.